Vivo V19. Vivo V19 is announced to be launched in April 2020 and will run on Android 10 OS. The smartphone will be available only in one color, i.e. blue, and will also have a built-in fingerprint sensor as the primary security feature. The phone comes with a 6.44-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. The Vivo V19 is said to be a rebranded version of the Vivo V17, which the company launched in India a few months ago. The V19 launched in Indonesia sports a quad-camera setup at the back, and a single-hole punch on the front, just like the one on the Vivo V17. The Vivo V19 launch has been planned for India as well, and the company has now posted teasers on its Twitter account. Vivo hasn't announced a launch date for the Vivo V19 yet, but the specifications and the pricing details have already leaked out ahead of the launch. Vivo took to Twitter to tease the launch of its upcoming smartphone, the Vivo V19. The teaser reveals the design of the V19, and the dual-hole punch selfie camera is clearly visible along with the quad-camera setup at the back. The specifications and the pricing details of the upcoming Vivo V19 that's coming. As per the report, the Vivo V19 will sport a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. Unlike the Indonesian model that sports a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 SoC, the Indian model is said to be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 SoC, along with 8GB of RAM. Leaks suggest that the device will be available in piano black and mystic silver color variants. Vivo is tipped to offer the V19 in 128GB and 256GB storage variants. It is tipped to sport a quad-camera setup at the back consisting of a 48-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. At the front, the display has a dual-hole punch cutout for the 32-megapixel main selfie sensor and the 8-megapixel wide-angle camera. According to the report, the Vivo V19 will come with an in-display fingerprint scanner just like the Vivo V17. It is said to run FunTouch OS 10 on top of Android 10. The battery is said to be 4,500 mAh and will support 33W Vivo Flash Charge 2.0. The same report claims that the device will be priced around $335 (25,000 rupees) for the base variant with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The pricing for the higher variant is still unknown at the moment. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.